this video, I'll show you how to install DU Recorder on your Android TV. This is an easy process. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel if you find this video helpful. So if you want the DU Recorder on your Android TV and want to install it, this is what you can do. So you're going to use this application called Downloader, which is a very useful application. This is a must-have application if you have an Android TV. So to have this application on Android TV, check the description of this video. There is a link there that is going to guide you to get downloader on your Android TV. So after you get the downloader on your Android TV, all you have to do is launch it. So what downloader does is that it's an application that helps you sort files, APKs from across the internet. All you have to do is to type in the right keyword here and then go ahead and search for it. So we're searching for DU Recorder to install to our Android TV. So we're going to click on Go, and downloader is going to show us where we can install the application to our Android TV from the internet. And once you search, you see these are various options of DU Recorder that we can install to our Android TV. So just search for them and choose which one that you are comfortable with. So you can go with this one and install to your Android TV, or you can scroll down to see the various other options. So that's how to install DU Recorder to your Android TV.